The Alpha 9 is our latest full-frame camera that give many unique technologies, and also technologies that break through some barriers that the traditional professional full-frame cameras are struggling with. If you look at the professional full-frame camera here, you still have the mirror and you still have the autofocus sensor, and with this you will actually have some obstacles. The traditional full-frame DSLR cameras are still struggling with the mirror. When you take pictures, you can hear the sound. You have the vibration, it's not vibration-free. And when you take pictures continuously, you will also get a blackout eventually when you move the mirror up and down. But take, for example, the Alpha 9. This is a game-changing camera. And the game-changing part lies in the image sensor. The image sensor in this camera is a new one, which is a full-frame Exmor RS. It means it's a stacked, so it means that with this camera you can shoot up to 20 frames per second. But when you shoot 20 frames per second, it will be able to refocus and re-exposure 60 times. That means for every picture it will refocus and re-exposure 3 times, so you always be sure to nail the focus and get the right exposure. It is silently, so you won't hear the shutter sound. It's completely silent. And also when you look through the viewfinder, you can always see the right exposure. Whether you are in dark condition or you are in bright condition, the camera will always tell you and show you the right exposure. And that's game changing in this world of photography.